Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So first of all, localize the app which causes you a lot of problems and then tap on it and hold it and tap on App Info. So the first thing we are going to do is to remove cache. So let's go to the storage and cache. Here we've got cache section, so just tap on clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they might interfere. So simply remove cache and then tap on force stop, because sometimes if the app is working in the background, there might be some problems to reopen it properly. So just tap on OK. And now on this step you can try to open the app. If that didn't work, then come back. Just recreate all of these steps, so the cache and force stop, and then try to restart your whole device, because this operation will kind of confirm all of the changes. Another thing which you can do is to check for the updates, because sometimes if your device if the app version is a little bit older, it might have some problems. So first of all, we have to go to the Play Store, tap on search, and enter the name of the app which would like to update. So in my case, Chrome. So as you can see here, our device will show us the app, and if there is an update pending, you will be able to simply see it here. So just tap on update, and then your device will download the newer version and install it over the older one. And that's the trick here, because sometimes overwriting it might cause more problems. So if the simple update didn't work and the app is still crashing, then I highly recommend to come back to this section, tap on this Google Chrome, and after updating here, you will see the option uninstall. And I highly recommend to uninstall it and then install it again, because sometimes installing the newer version directly might help in this situation. And as a last resort, I highly recommend to also check for the updates, but for the system, because sometimes if you've got the older version of the system, it might have some problems, it might misbehave with newer apps which are optimized for newer versions. So let's go to the settings. Simply here in the settings, scroll all the way down to find the system, and here we've got the option system update. So simply tap on it, give all the permissions it needs, and now your device will check for the updates. If you've got the update pending, I really highly recommend to simply tap on download or install and apply the update to get the newest version. It's not only for this specific app, but also for the security of your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.